I may not tell you every day, I may not really say, but you know that I love you very much. The moment you touch me, I feel your love and passion. Baby, thanks for your love. It means a lot. I love you because you stay in my heart. It was right from the start. I love you because you are my life. I don't have to really strive. I love you for what you are. Your love will take me far. I love you so much. Your love takes me to some other world that is so full of magic. You being in my life is like the most amazing thing in life. Thank you for all the love, baby. When you look at me, I feel a little sigh. When you speak to me, I get lost in your thoughts. When you touch me, I feel the sparks within. Baby, I so love you, and you mean a lot. So magical is your touch, and the way you cares, and the sound of your voice spells sweetness. My little heart beats in the corner of your breast. I feel so lost in your love. Only in you I find rest. I love you, sweetheart. I know that I'm not perfect. You are not perfect too. I know that I'm not so caring, but I can see that in you. I annoy you at the most times. I can also shout at you, but you understand me so well. You bring out the best in me. With you, I am truly carefree. With you, there is all the glee. Baby, never stop loving me. Like you to love me crazy. I can call you mine forever. Your love is only I can see. I love you. When I met you for the first time, I did not know that I would fall so hard. Your love has given me that freedom. Your love has chosen me from the start. You understand me like no one else. You love me so much I can see. Your love makes me feel at time. I want to stay in your love. I want to be yours forever in life. Baby, I am in love with you forever. I want to be with you forever. Yes, in time. I love you so much.